Hola muchachos, soy Señora Western. Today we're going to talk about comparisons. So this is one of the grammar topics for our Realidades Chapter 1b. Please follow along in your packets and copy down anything that is highlighted in yellow. Okay, so here we go. Spanish uses various structures when making unequal and equal comparisons. So we're going to start with letter A. We're going to look at unequal comparisons. So we're going to use this formula, más plus an adjective, adverb, or noun plus que. And that's going to be to express more than. Menos plus adjective, adverb, or noun plus que. That's going to be to express less than. So let's look at some examples of that. El ajedrez es más divertido que el fútbol. Chess is more fun than soccer. In this situation, we're using an adjective, divertido, in between the word más and the word que. Look at another one. El fútbol es más popular que el tenis. Again, popular is an adjective. Soccer is more popular than tennis. Third example. Mi madre es más baja que mi padre. Baja is feminine because it agrees with the first subject of the sentence, which is madre. My mom is shorter than my dad. Looking up here, back at the first one, divertido ends in an O because ajedrez is a masculine noun. Okay, so we have some more on the left-hand side of the screen, examples that we can use to show unequal comparisons. These are used without adjectives. More than, más que. Older than, mayor que. Better than, mejor que. Younger than, menor que. Less than, menos que. Peor que is worse than. Okay, so I kind of have some little tricks to help you remember these. Mayor. Mayor looks like the word mayor in English. Think of a mayor as being an older person, hence the word older. Okay, let's take a look at menor. Menor looks like the word minor in English. A minor is someone that is young. Okay, so let's look at an example of that. Yo soy mayor que mi hermana. Notice we didn't put anything in between mayor and que. What does this translate to? I am older than my sister. Las lecciones de natación cuestan menos que las artes marciales. Swimming lessons cost less than lessons for martial arts or karate. Me gusta el coro más que la banda. I like the chorus more than the band. Okay, let's move on to letter B, which is going to be equal comparisons. We're going to use the expression tan, adjective, adverb, noun, plus como to express as or as. And you may be saying, well, that's kind of weird because if it's the word as and as in English, shouldn't it be tan and tan? Or shouldn't it be como and como? I'm sorry to say, no. In Spanish, it's a little different. Then we have tanto or tanta or tantos or tantas plus a noun plus como. Okay? As many as. Los deportistas son tan talentosos como los músicos. The athletes are as talented as the musicians. Tengo tantas plumas como lápices. I have as many pens as pencils. Notice we're using tantas to agree with plumas. So the form of tanto must agree with the noun that's in between the word tanto and como. Okay. All right, so now we're going to watch a little video to go along with this concept.
I'm faster than you are.
I agree. That is until you fall down.
Hey! In English, we make comparisons every day without even thinking about it. Same thing goes for Spanish. So let's get to learning about comparisons.
You've already learned basic comparisons. Más que, more than, and menos que, less than.
Para mí, la biología es más difícil que la geometría.
Creo que bailar es menos popular que correr.
Some commonly used comparisons are mayor que, older than, menor que, younger than, mejor que, better than, and peor que, worse than. Ella es mayor que nosotros. Somos menores que usted. Soy mejor que ustedes.
Now, if we're comparing two things that are the same, we can do it with tan plus an adjective plus como. Here's how to use it in a sentence.
Levantar pesas es tan divertido como correr.
Just insert the adjective in between tan and como. For instance, if Pedro is as hardworking as Susana, we'd say Pedro es tan trabajador como Susana.
We use tanto plus noun plus como when making comparisons of equality with nouns. But don't forget that tanto agrees in gender and number with the noun that follows it.
For example, if we are saying fish cost as much money as dogs, we would say los peces cuestan tanto dinero como los perros. Now let's say she has as many dogs as Ana. Tiene tantos perros como Ana.
Now it's time to show me what you've learned with the quiz.
Complete the sentences with tan, tanto, tanta, tantos, or tantas.
Pedro es amable como Juan.
If you said tan, you're correct.
Alberto trabaja rápidamente como ellos.
Tan. Kudos.
Imelda tiene zapatos como ustedes.
That's right. It's tantos.
And last but not least, tú tienes tarea como Eugenio.
Tanta. You got it.